Stretching objects. On the Modify toolbar, choose Stretch. In the drawing, click below and to the right of the double door, and then click above and to the left of the door. Objects that are entirely inside this crossing selection will be moved. Objects that are partially inside will be stretched. Press Enter to indicate that you do not want to select any more objects. Click near the doors to define a base point for the Stretch command. Move your mouse to the right. At the command prompt, type 1000 and then press Enter. This moves the door 1000 units to the right. Lengthening objects. On the Modify toolbar, choose Lengthen. At the command prompt, enter T to indicate that you want to enter the total distance for a line or lines. Enter 1000 to specify the length. In the drawing, select the two short lines along the left wall of the floor plan to make them 1000 units long. Press Enter to exit this command. From the Draw menu, choose Line. Specify 2 points to draw a line between the ends of the two lines. Press Enter to exit this command. Extending lines. From the Modify menu, choose Extend. In the drawing, select the left interior wall of the building adjacent to the double door to define it as the boundary edge. Press Enter to indicate that you do not want to identify more boundary edges. Select the left ends of the two horizontal short lines just to the left of the doorway of the lower right room. They extend to meet the boundary edge that you just defined. Press Enter to exit this command. From the Modify menu, choose Extend. Define the boundary edge by selecting the top horizontal line that you just edited in Step 4. Press Enter to indicate that you do not want to identify more boundary edges. Select the two vertical lines just to the right of the double door. They extend to meet the boundary edge that you just defined. Press Enter to exit this command. Trimming lines. From the Modify menu, choose Trim. Select the lines that you want to use as cutting edges. Click the two horizontal lines above the double door. Click the two horizontal lines on the right side jamb of the double door. Click the 4 vertical lines to the right of the double door. Press Enter to indicate that you do not want to select any more cutting edges. Select the portions of the line you must remove in order to make your drawing look like the one shown in the video. Click the two horizontal lines where they pass between the two sets of vertical lines. Click the short horizontal line that is between the right set of vertical lines. Click the short vertical line that is between the horizontal lines above the double door. Click the two vertical lines to the right and above the double door. Click the short vertical line that is between the horizontal lines that are to the right of the double door. Press Enter to exit this command. Duplicating objects with the Copy command. On the Modify toolbar, choose Copy Object. In the drawing, click to specify 2 points, moving from left to right, to define a window selection around the toilet fixture. Press Enter to indicate that you do not want to copy any other objects. At the command prompt, type M and press Enter to indicate that you want to make multiple copies of this object. Select the upper right corner of the stall for the base point. Select the upper right corner of the next stall. A new fixture is created in the correct position. Select the upper right corner of the next stall. Press Enter to end the command. Creating mirrored copies of objects. On the Modify toolbar, choose Mirror. In the drawing, click a point, move the cursor from left to right, and then click again to define a window selection around the toilet fixtures. Press Enter to indicate that you do not want to select any more objects. Hold down Shift and right-click to display the shortcut menu, then choose Midpoint. Select the middle of the unbroken horizontal wall line above the stalls. This specifies the first point of the mirror line. At the command prompt, enter @0, -10. This creates a perfectly vertical mirror line. Press Enter to indicate that you do not want to delete the original objects after they have been mirrored. Creating a row of objects. On the Modify toolbar, choose Array. In the Array dialog box, select Rectangular Array. Choose Select Objects. In the drawing, select the sink on the counter above the stalls. Press Enter to indicate that you do not want to select any other objects. In the dialog box, enter 1 in the Rows box and 5 in the Columns box. You want a total of 5 sinks along a horizontal line. In the Column Offset box, enter 750. This distance represents the horizontal distance between the copies. The distance is measured center to center. Leave the row offset and angle of array values at their default values of 1 and 0. Choose Preview to see how the array will look. Choose Accept to add the array to the drawing. Using the Offset command to copy lines. On the Modify toolbar, choose Offset. Enter 500 for the offset distance. Select the horizontal line that defines the notched area above the sinks. Click above the line to indicate the direction of the offset. Press Enter to end the command. From the Draw menu, choose Line. Select the endpoint of the line. Select the corner of the bench. Press Enter to end the command. Repeat steps 6 through 9 to complete the other end of the bench.